This video covers Turnitin, a plagiarism review tool that's built into Canvas. To set up Turnitin for an assignment, navigate to that assignment in your course and go to Edit. Under Submission Type, select Online, and then check File Upload and/or Text Entry. Then, under Plagiarism Review, select Turnitin. There are a few settings that you can select here. These are the default ones. Turnitin checks submissions against web content and against a repository of its own. Let's keep these default settings. You can exclude quoted materials as well as fragments. So I typically exclude small sources of 3 words or less. And you can choose how soon the report gets shown to the students. Let's also exclude bibliographic materials. To take a look at how Turnitin looks from a student perspective, please view Donnie Arnett's video elsewhere on this channel. Note that you can disable the Store Submissions in Standard Paper Repository setting. If you do this, you can turn this assignment into a practice assignment whereby students can learn more about what constitutes plagiarism through repeated submissions of the same assignment. However, if the standard paper repository setting is kept and students keep submitting the same materials, Turnitin may think that they are trying to plagiarize their own work.